How many app ideas have you talked yourself out of because you thought, I don't know how to code? Snap Apps AI was built for people with ideas, not programming skills. I think almost everyone who's been online for a while has had that moment. You think, that would make a great app. Maybe it's a simple calculator, a local business app, a lead generation tool, a fitness tracker, a customer portal, something people would actually use. Then reality hits. You start looking into what it takes developers, designers, months of work, thousands of dollars, and suddenly that great idea stays exactly where it started in your head. That's why Snap Apps AI caught my attention. Instead of expecting you to learn programming or hire a development team, it's designed to let you describe your app idea in plain English. The AI takes that idea and helps turn it into a working app with screens, layouts, features, branding, and content all through a conversational process instead of traditional coding. Think about how different that is. Instead of asking, how do I build an app? You're asking, "What do I want my app to do?" That's a much easier question to answer. One feature I really like is that it doesn't stop after generating an idea. As you refine your instructions, the platform updates your app, letting you preview changes, customize branding, and continue improving it without starting over. That makes it feel more like working with a developer who's taking your feedback than trying to figure everything out yourself. Another thing that stood out is who this is actually for. This isn't aimed only at software developers. It's built for entrepreneurs, affiliate marketers, agencies, freelancers, small business owners, and anyone who's ever thought, if only I had an app for this. Like, that's an important difference because most people don't need to become programmers. They just need a way to bring an idea to life. Okay, here's a question. If building an app suddenly became easy, what's the first app you'd create? Something for your own business, a tool you could sell, a lead generator, or something people have been asking you for? Sometimes the biggest obstacle isn't the idea, it's believing you can actually build it. Another feature I really like is how quickly you can move from concept to something you can actually see. Instead of spending weeks planning screens and workflows, Snap Apps AI helps generate a working structure that you can review, refine, and improve as you go. That rapid feedback makes it much easier to experiment with different ideas before investing significant time or money. Now, let's keep this realistic. Snap Apps AI isn't going to guarantee your app becomes the next $1 million success. A great idea still needs a real audience, and you'll still need to think about how people will use it. But if you've been putting off an app idea because coding felt impossible or hiring developers was out of reach, Snap Apps AI removes one of the biggest barriers. If you've been waiting for the right time to finally build your app, this might be the tool that gets you started. That's because great ideas don't make money sitting in a notebook. They make money when people can actually use them. To learn more about it and to get instant access to Snap Apps AI, click the first link in the description below. I do hope my video gave you some value today. That'll do it for this one. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. It really means a lot to me. Thanks so much, and bye for now.